Hi, I'm Brian Potter. I've got a USA Tactical 223 AR-15 with a Nikon BDC M223 scope and mounts. We're dead nuts at 300 yards. We're all set, ready to go. We're gonna smoke some coyotes tonight. We're here at the huntingwildlife.net film school. It's been phenomenal. We're, as you can see, live with guns, with bows, animals. It's unbelievable.
I'm Wayne McGregor with huntingwildlife.net. This is a USA Tactical firearm, AR-15, calibered in .223. This is a Nikon M223 scope with the scope mount. And basically what we're going to do is going to sight it in. I already put the laser on it, got it close, and we're just going to finish it off, take a couple practice rounds because we're going to be coyote hunting tonight with it. And this is all part of the video training class, so when we talk about in the field, real world video training, you're looking at it right here. This is how we do what we do. That's what I'm talking about right there. I like the sniper stand. You can use it pretty much anywhere. That's me.
Right.
That's the shooter. That gun's on.
Yeah.
Nah, it's close enough.
Oh, yeah. Close enough for coyote
All
kill.
right, let's see here. Long range. That's it.
Much better. Just off the orange in the center. You got it. Now to 300, if you're going to shoot, you're going to go with one dot down from the center crosshairs.
Okay. Drop the rest of that whole clip into 300. Alright. One below.
Yep, one dot.
Sure
You know,
you
you
hit
got
it
circle
the
in the middle,
first one.
then you got the circle below.
Brian's your spotter, okay? So your spotter is going to give you the information on how you shoot.
My name's Tom Jansen. This is a USA Tactical Firearm 223. We just got done sighting in at about 300 yards. We're going to go shoot some coyotes tonight. We're ready to rock and roll. Stay with us.
Just above it. Want to see if you can hit that 200 now?
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's moving.
All right, yeah, bust the 300 now, man. Just and then unload that clip on the 300. First bubble down from the crosshair. Yeah. Is that it? You got rounds in there. Light them up, blow them out like candles.
All right. Fire it home!
And Mark Byers here with huntingwildlife.net. We're at Video Film School here at Heartland Ranch. I'm shooting an awesome USA Tactical Firearms chambered for .223. Got the awesome Nikon M223 scope on there, and we are knocking them dead at 300 yards. Sweet gun, sweet setup.